gonna do my very first travel vlog. I'm probably gonna put a lot of pressure on myself for this to be good, but I know it won't be because it's my first one and I need to just chill and just let it flow and relax, okay? Anywho, so I'm in Chicago, Illinois, obviously, I guess, with my mom. We're here for 3 nights, and then we're going to a tulip festival in Holland, Michigan, and I'm super excited. I've been planning this trip kind of for a while, but also not for that long, I guess, compared to some trips I take. So we just checked into the hotel. I think we're gonna probably munch on a few snackies for lunch, dinner, and then probably maybe take a walk to the park. So yeah, I don't know what else to say. Here's the view of the city from our window. So enjoy that, I guess. Okay, so we made it to the Bean, or Cloud Gate is the official name here in Millennium Park. We did get a little bit lost on the way. We walked too far originally, but we weren't really looking at the map or anything. We were just walking. We're basically like little country mice in the big city and don't know what we're doing, and it's really crazy, and there's a lot of people. I'd say about half of the people are wearing masks, but it's really not that crowded. So they do have the Cloud Gate like blocked off because of COVID though, which is nice because then there aren't a ton of people and you're shot. So that's cool. The lighting's not really great for photos right now. I want to come back at like sunrise one of the days maybe and see if I can get some photos then. Okay, so I'll show you some shots of it, I guess. So it's day 2 here in Chicago. We're just gonna kind of chill today, I guess. There isn't much on the docket. We're gonna go get some breakfast and then probably walk around a little. I'll probably maybe take some photos. It's really overcast and like it rained earlier. It's supposed to rain later this evening. So, rain. But, whatever. We are going to the museum later, the Art Institute, and I'm excited for that because obviously I'm like an art nerd. So, we'll catch you then, I guess. My glasses are just as foggy as the city. Okay, so here we are at the museum. We're gonna go get in this long line and yeah, go inside, I guess. We already pre-bought our tickets, so hopefully we don't, I don't know. We'll see how this goes. Okay. So we're back at our hotel room for a little bit. Probably gonna eat a little bit of lunch just with the food we brought, and then the wind has died down and it's a little bit less cloudy. So we're gonna go to this park where it's legal to fly drones, and I'm gonna fly my drone. I'm super excited. I was afraid I wasn't gonna be able to fly because yesterday it was really windy, and then I thought it was gonna rain today and tomorrow, but the weather forecast keeps changing, so I don't really know what's going on. So yeah, Oh, and I got some macarons. Let me grab those and I'll show you guys. Okay, yeah, so I love macarons, but they're so expensive and I usually don't get them just because it's like a specialty kind of thing. But so I bought these. They are $15 for 6 and I got them at Sugar Bliss and they look really good. So I'm going to try one. So let's see here. I got 6 different flavors. Lemon is the one I'm going to try. So let's see. Oh my god, it's so good. Oh my god. So lemony. So delicious. Hi, this is my mom. I figured I show her since she's traveling with me. And I haven't shown her it yet. So there she is. Isn't she beautiful? Okay, so we're at Grant Park now. We're next to Buckingham Fountain, but it's unfortunately not turned on, so that's kind of a bummer, but I thought it might not be, honestly. So yeah, I'm gonna fly the drone. I'm excited. The sun actually came out, so yeah. There's always that awkwardness with flying the drone where I'm like, am I actually allowed to fly here? Am I gonna get a fine? I don't know. I'm pretty sure I'm allowed to fly here though, but we'll see. Let's do this thing. Okay, catch ya up in the air, I guess. Okay, so update, I flew, didn't get arrested or anything. The clouds came back pretty quickly, so probably wasn't able to get anything good. I took like 1 hyperlapse, that was probably good. And I don't know, pretty cloudy. This is the only place in Chicago that I know of that you can fly a drone, and it's not that great, I guess. I mean, if it was lighter, or if it was like sunrise or something, there'd be better light on the city, I guess, but we're not here at the right time of year, I guess. All right, well, peace out for now.